What was that?
It's not funny.
Peppa Pig.
What? Peppa and her friends are at playgroup.
Children, I want you to go home.
Because good grief, I am already sick of all of you.
Who can tell me what this is? It's a castle. That's right. That's right. That's right. I want you to go home, Danny. Go home, Danny.
How could this happen to me?
Children, you cannot go home. Who can tell me who this is? There's no one there. For your school project, I want you to make a home from a cardboard box. Wow! 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 You can make your castles from cardboard, plastic bottles, plastic, cardboard, eggs. Can we use glitter?
No, you may not.
Make the castle big. Pedro, I want you to go home. Make it as big as you like.
No!
Make it as big as you...
Psych!
What was that?
It is breakfast time at Peppa's house. Daddy Pig is making soup for breakfast.
Mummy, Daddy, I've got some very good news.
We do not care.
What's that, Peppa?
I've got...
Diabetes.
We do not care.
I need to make a castle.
Okay, why don't you use this empty cereal box? Why don't you use tomatoes? Why don't you use spaghetti? Why don't you use onions? Why don't you use George?
It is breakfast at Susie Sheep's house.
LOL, even Susie Sheep got GTA 6 before you did.
We're sorry. You have reached a number that has been disconnected or is no longer in service. If you feel you have reached this recording in error...
Hello? 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 Can I speak to Peppa, please? Peppa, it's Susie Sheep. Hello, Susie. How's your...
What do you think, Peppa?
It just needs one more thing. Crisps.
Crisps are not on the list.
Peppa and her friends have brought their castles back to playgroup, except for Pedro.
My castle is made out of a cardboard box. It is a very fine castle.
For me to poop on.
And my castle really is big enough for me to live in.
Great. Then why don't you?